educational, and I thought it was fun because it's hard to describe. I got to make something and then see if it worked, and then it did work, and that makes you feel good, and then you get to try and make a new thing, and it goes on like that.
It was fun when everything was going good, and then when you get all the problems with you think your programming is sound, and then you actually try it out and it turns out, oh, this is wrong and this is wrong and this is wrong because this is wrong. You gotta go out and find what's wrong and fix it. That part's not that much fun, but the rest of it, when it all works out, is pretty fun.
I have an 8th grader that went to teen camp this last summer, and he had such an amazing educational time. Learning something new, not something that he's been exposed to before, just really let him run. He took something that started a real question in his mind. This is something I've never seen, never been exposed to before. I don't know about this. To the end of the week feeling like, I can do this. I can really create something of my very own, brand new learning he's never had, something that goes beyond school.